the little guy. That's the black collar investor. Now, another app that I like to use is Google Finance. In Google Finance, I already have a watch list. So I'm going to look at my watch list on Google Finance, and I'm going to scroll down to, let's actually add AMC. I'm going to add AMC Entertainment Holdings, New York Stock Exchange, this top one. Hit the plus sign. Now AMC is down on my list. Now what I like about Google is that Google Finance allows you to see the same iterations for days: 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 6 month. But you can, just like in Cash App, you can touch this graph and it's interactive. So you can see that in the last 6 months, back in December, it was $7.24 a share. As of right now, it's $4.92 a share, and that's down 5.2% from the prior day. Okay. If I click on the chart and drag my finger, I can see that back in February, it was $7.46. And again, key date, right around the time COVID-19 happened, somewhere around early March, it was $4.53. It dropped, you guys, all the way down to $2.60, $2.18. And now it's come all the way back up to $5.19. So this is one of those stocks that you want to try to catch when it's low and buy low and hold on to it so that it raises and you get all those gains. The other thing you can look at on this chart is it opened at $5.01. The low was $4.50. I'm sorry, let me click on the day. If you look at this day chart, it opened at $5.01. You can scroll left and see $5.01 at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. That's what this open means down here at the bottom, open. The low, 450, is the lowest point that it hit. If you drag your finger along the chart, it's probably this deep cut right here that says 501. All right, here it is. That's just 460-ish. So that's around the low of 450. And right where the red stops is where the market closed. It closed at 492. And you see that same number up here, 492. That's where the market closed. Now this area that's in gray is important because this is after hours trading. And this is how the stock has been doing in after hours ETF trading, mutual fund tradings. And even though it closed at $4.92, by the time the markets really closed at 8 p.m. Eastern, it got all the way down to $4.80. So that's an indicator of where it's headed. So I would think that AMC Holdings is probably trending down for tomorrow. And you can confirm this if you go to Yahoo Finance, go to AMC. Actually, I'll back up a little bit. Here it is. So it closed at 492, and it says right here after hours. I don't know if you guys can see this after hours. It says it's at $4.72. It's down 4.07%, and you can see that here on the AMC line. It closed at 492. It's down 5.2% for the day, and in post market, it's down 4.07%. So that's how you read your stock charts.